All right, this is for the FFA kids who are gone and Olivia and whoever else is watching this. We are on 4-2. Here's the homework assignment for it, if you want to write him down. Page 255. 4-2. We're going to go through these notes like lickety-split, maybe like 5 minutes. We'll see. Okay, shouldn't be very long. Okay, good? You get that all written down? Ready, set, go. 4-2. All right, translations. We are translating today. This is another one of those. Yesterday we did reflections. Shh, boys. Yesterday we did reflections. Today we're doing translations. A translation is like sliding it, right? To translate something means to like slide it. So you move it left, right, up or down, okay? We are not changing the shape or size, just like with a reflection. Okay, I had a couple people come to me and say like, I didn't do this right because it doesn't look the same, right? Yep, you didn't do it right because he should look exactly the same. We're just sliding him here, okay? So here we have an original one and then we have our ending image, and this is how we're sliding it. This guy right here, write this down, is called a translation vector. This tells me how we are sliding it, okay? So if you're starting, do you guys see which end you're starting from? You're starting here. Yeah. And you're ending here, right? And you are going that direction in that order, whatever, okay? If you're sliding him, how much and which way are we sliding him?
Up to over 5.
Up to over 5. To the right 5, I should say.
So it's going to be
up to the right 5. Now, we write that in what's called translation vector form with like the little triangle brackets instead.
In this class or trig?
We did this in this class. We did this in chapter 1, right? Have you guys seen this notation before? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you do up to and right 5 in this form?
2 and 5. Or 5.
5, 2, right? The x coordinate goes here, and x would be left or right. And 2 goes here. This is up or down. Does that make sense? So that would be right 5, up 2. If you're going left, you go negative. If you're going down, you go negative, right? So that would be right 5, up 2. That's what he would say. Got it? Okay. So first example, determine whether this translation maps onto the other one. My starting one is this guy. Is that a translation?
No,
have we slid him over?
That's a reflection.
Ethan says reflection. Okay, where did we reflect him over?
1. Like x equals 1.
X equals 1, this line right here. This guy is 2 units away, now he's 2 units away. This guy's 4 units away, now he's 4 units away. This guy is 4 units away, now he's 4 units away. So that is a reflection, yes. So, not a translation. Reflection. I knew somebody was going to say that. Reflect over x equals 1. That's what he actually is. He's not a translation, he's a reflection. Okay, let's go down. Let's do the check one right here. The one right below it. The check. We're going from this guy to this guy. How do I know I'm starting with this one and ending with this one?
Because the prime.
Yeah, the prime tells you where you're ending. Okay, so if I look just from L to L, let's just pick on the L. We are going to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and going up 3. Okay, right 5 and up 3. What would that look like in a translation vector? 5, 3. Okay, let's see if K is the same. K goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. Yep, K checks out. L, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1, 2, 3. Yep, J checks out. That's J, not L. I said L. Okay, so determine whether the translation maps onto the prime. If so, state the translation vector, A, B, C, or D. A, 5, 3. Yeah, so he is a yes. Good, good? Okay, next one, example 2. This is the last one. Scavenger hunt. It says Travis is on a scavenger hunt at the lake. He needs to swim to the nearest buoy, which is right here, and then he picks up a card and then swims until he reaches the fisherman, who will give him the next clue. Describe the translation that goes from the buoy to the boat. So we're starting at the buoy and we're going to the boat and we're doing one of those. Describe that in translation vector form.
5, -1.
We're going 5 to the right and down 1. So 5, -1. I agree with that. Now you tell me why they said, number 1, find out what the task is. Number 2, do this step. Number 3, do this step. Number 4, do this step. When the answer is 5, -1. I don't know why.
We have all day.
I don't know why they want you to write out all of your thought process, but that doesn't seem like too hard of a problem, right? 5, -1. Now make sure that you're putting the X in this spot and the Y in this spot. 5 to the right, 1 down, 5, -1. Got it? Okay, that's it. Homework is this. That's all. Not so bad. 1 through 7, 8 through 14 evens. Good? 1 through 7, 8 through 14 evens. That was 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Sorry. Goodbye, people.